everyone. I'm Ms. Viveshna Sharma, associated with Himali Boarding School, and I hope you all have been following my videos on the chapter Reproduction in Plants. In the previous video, we've already discussed about asexual reproduction, vegetative propagation, and sexual reproduction. Under sexual reproduction, we've discussed about the different parts of a flower, how does pollination occur. So now today we'll be discussing about fertilization. So after pollination has taken place, what happens? So suppose this is the androecium, the anther with the pollen grains, and this is your gynoecium. This is the stigma, this is the style, and this is the ovary. The ovary contains the ovules, which contains the female gametes, and this is the anther, this is the filament, and the anther contains the pollen grains, and the pollen grains contain the male gamete. Now in pollination, what has happened is the pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of a flower. Now what happens after pollination? Once the pollen grains land on the stigma, it grows in size. It grows in size and then it forms or produces a long pollen tube which reaches the ovary and enters the ovule. So the pollen grains, they enlarge in size, they produce a pollen tube which reaches the ovary and enters the ovule. Now the pollen grains, as I already told you, has the male gamete. Now once the pollen tube is formed, the male gamete divides to form two nuclei. It divides to form two nuclei. One of the nucleus infuses with the female nucleus present inside the ovule. So once the male nucleus and the female nucleus fuse together, then the process is known as fertilization. So after pollination, the pollen grains enlarge in size, they form a pollen tube. The pollen tube elongates, reaches the ovary and enters the ovules. The male gamete divides into two nuclei. One of the nucleus fuses with the female nucleus present inside the ovule, and this process is known as fertilization. Once fertilization occurs, a single cell structure is formed, which is known as a zygote. This single cell undergoes repeated division to form the embryo. So the result of fertilization is a zygote. This zygote further divides to form an embryo. Now what happens after fertilization? Now, once fertilization takes place and the zygote is formed, so we've already done the structure of a flower. The sepals, it withers off. It may fall off or it may not. The petals fall off, the androecium falls off, the stigma falls off, the stem falls off. Only the ovary remains. It swells up and enlarges in size and it forms the fruit. Now we have the ovules inside it which has been fertilized. These ovules develop into seeds. So inside the seeds we have the embryo. I told you the zygote after fertilization undergoes repeated division and forms the embryo. So this embryo is present inside the seed. So ovary forms the fruit and the ovule forms the seed. Now a fruit may be a true fruit or a false fruit. So if the ovary becomes fleshy and it forms the fruit, the edible part of the fruit, then we call it the true fruit. But in some cases, other parts of the flower, sometimes the thalamus, sometimes the hair present in the ovary, they become fleshy and become edible and they are called false fruit. True fruits examples are tomato, cucumber, pumpkin, mango. False fruit, apple, pear, orange are all false fruit. And then the seed has a seed coat, and then inside the seed coat you have the cotyledon. The cotyledon is the food for the growing embryo. Then we have the cumule and the radicle. So inside the seed you have the cumule and the radicle. The cumule forms the shoot system and the radicle forms the root system. So this is how sexual reproduction occurs in plants. So for sexual reproduction, the most important part of the plant is the androecium and the gynoecium. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood what we discussed about. Please do like and subscribe my videos. Thank you.